মই তোমাক বিশ্বাস কৰোঁ। I trust you. I trust you. তুমি মোৰ বন্ধু। You are my friend. You are my friend. মই এতিয়া ফ্ৰী আছোঁ। I am free now. I am free now. সি বহুত সুখী। He is very happy. He is very happy. তাই আজৰি আছে। She is free. She is free. আজি ৰ'দ ওলাইছে। The sun is shining today. The sun is shining today. সি মোক হাঁহি দিলে। He smiled at me. He smiled at me. তাই স্কুলৰ পৰা আহিছে। She came from school. She came from school. মই কিতাপ কিনিম। I will buy a book. I will buy a book. তুমি কি মোক শুনিছা? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? মই ভাত ৰান্ধিছোঁ। I am cooking rice. I am cooking rice. তেওঁ পানী আনিছে। He is bringing water. He is bringing water. তাই বজাৰলৈ গৈছে। She has gone to the market. She has gone to the market. মই গান গাব পাৰোঁ। I can sing. I can sing. তুমি নাচিব পাৰানে? Can you dance? Can you dance? মই খেলিব বিচাৰোঁ। I want to play. I want to play. মই ইংৰাজী বুজো। I understand English. I understand English. তুমি অসমীয়া ক'ব পাৰানে? Can you speak Assamese? Can you speak Assamese? মই ঘৰ পৰিষ্কাৰ কৰিলোঁ। I cleaned the house. I cleaned the house. সি বহুত পৰিশ্ৰমী। He is very hardworking. He is very hardworking. তাই মোৰ ওচৰলৈ আহিল। She came to me. She came to me. মই কেতিয়াও দেৰি নকৰোঁ। I am never late. I am never late. তেওঁ মোক উপহাৰ দিলে। He gave me a gift. He gave me a gift. আজি মোৰ ছুটি। Today is my holiday. Today is my holiday. তাই ফুল ভাল পায়। She liked flowers. She liked flowers. মই বহুত আনন্দিত। I am very happy. I am very happy. মই এতিয়া সাজু। I am ready now. I am ready now. সি মোক সহায় কৰিব। He will help me. He will help me. তাই সময়মতে আহিব। She will come on time. She will come on time.